sweating through your sheets or freezing at night? That ends now. We're unboxing the game-changing Chilipad Dock Pro. Stay tuned for more details. The Chilipad Pro bundle was quick and easy to install. From start to finish, it took about 20 minutes to have it up and running. Slightly longer if you consider the time to download the app and pair the devices to our phones. Inside the box, it's all clearly and cleanly packed. You get 2 control units, a Wii dual zone pad, and everything you need to get cooling. No screws, no stress. Just slide it on like a fitted sheet, connect the hoses, and you're nearly there. So you might be asking, what's so special about the Chilipad Pro? Whether you're someone that's melting at night or freezing next to your partner, each side gets its own temperature control from 55 to 115 degrees. It even adjusts while you sleep so you wake up warm and rested without touching a thing. You can use the buttons on the dock itself to control the unit, but why not go full smart home? The SleepMe app links fast over Wi-Fi, and boom, you've got full control of everything the Pro system offers in the palm of your hand, making temperature adjustments, reviewing sleep quality, and creating routines are a breeze. So who might benefit from the SleepMe Chilipad Pro? Hot sleepers, couples with clashing sleep styles, or anyone chasing that next level recovery, this setup is tailor-made for you. And we're just getting started. In our full review, performance tests, sleep tracking syncs, and how this setup stacks up against 8 Sleep in Bed Jet. You don't want to miss it. If you found this content helpful, stay tuned, hit subscribe now. We've got the full Chilipad breakdown on the way. We're Box Sleep Reviews, and we've got your back.